Hello, my friends! Welcome back to our channel. I'm so happy you're here today. Today, we will practice English with shadowing. Now, you may ask, what is shadowing? Shadowing means listening to someone speak and then repeating what they say. It is like being a shadow. When I speak, you copy me. This helps you speak more naturally and improve your pronunciation. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes mean you are learning. So let's have fun together. Here is how you can use this video. First, listen carefully. Then, play it again and repeat with me. Try to speak at the same time as me. If it feels hard at the beginning, that is okay. With practice, it gets easier. Remember, relax, smile, and enjoy the story. You are doing great. Today's story is called I Go to California. Why California? Because California is famous. It has beaches, mountains, big cities, and Hollywood. Many people dream of visiting California. And in this story, I will share my first trip to California. You will hear about the airport, the airplane, meeting new people, and traveling around. It is simple but full of useful English phrases you can use in real life. At the airport. I go to California. It is my first time. I feel excited. I also feel a little nervous. I pack my bag. I take clothes, shoes, and my passport. At the airport, I stand in line. The woman at the counter smiles. She says, "Good morning. Can I see your passport?" I answer, "Yes, here you go." She gives me a ticket. She says, "Have a nice flight." I say, "Thank you." On the airplane. I walk to the airplane. I look for my seat. My seat is 22A. I sit down. Next to me is a man. He says, "Hello, are you going to California too?" I smile. "Yes, this is my first time." He says, "Oh, you will love it. California is beautiful." The airplane takes off. I look out the window. The clouds look soft. The sky looks big. The flight is long. I watch a movie. I eat some food. I drink water. After many hours, the airplane lands. Arrival in California. I arrive in Los Angeles. The airport is big. Many people walk fast. I follow the signs. I see a taxi. I say to the driver, "Hello, can you take me to my hotel?" The driver says, "Of course. Where is your hotel?" I give him the address. He smiles and says, "Get in, let's go." The car moves through the city. I see tall buildings. I see palm trees. I see cars everywhere. The driver says, "Do you like California so far?" I say, "Yes, it is amazing." Exploring the city. The next day, I walk around. I go to the beach. The sand is warm. The ocean is blue. I hear people laughing. I see children playing. I take pictures. Later, I visit Hollywood. I see the famous sign on the hill. I take a bus tour. The guide says, "On your right, you can see the Hollywood sign." Everyone takes photos. I also visit a cafe. I say to the waiter, "Hello, can I have a coffee, please?" He says, "Sure. Small or large?" I say, "Large, please." He brings my coffee. I say, "Thank you." He says, "You're welcome." The coffee is hot. The cafe feels nice. I feel happy. Making friends. One evening, I go to a park. I sit on a bench. A woman sits next to me. She says, "Hello, where are you from?" I answer, "I am from Bangladesh." She smiles. "Oh, welcome to California. How do you like it here?" I say, "It is wonderful. The weather is nice and the people are friendly." She says, "Yes, that's true. California has many different places to visit. Beaches, mountains, and deserts." We talk for a while. Then I say, "Nice to meet you." She says, "Nice to meet you too." Reflection of the trip. My trip to California is special. I learn new things. I meet new people. I practice English. I feel proud. Traveling is not always easy, but traveling teaches me many lessons. I say to myself, I will come back again. Lesson and reflection. So, my friends, what can we learn from this story? First, traveling is a chance to practice English. When you speak to taxi drivers, waiters, or strangers, you can use simple sentences. Second, do not worry about mistakes. Remember, I am learning. I am growing. I am improving. Just like me in California, you can learn English anywhere. Useful Englishception. Now let's look at some useful phrases from the story. I will say them. You repeat after me. First, can I see your passport? Repeat. Here you go. Repeat. Have a nice flight. Repeat. Can you take me to my hotel? Repeat. Do you like California so far? Repeat. Can I have a coffee, please? Repeat. Nice to meet you. Repeat. Great job, my friends. You are doing amazing. So, today we practiced English with shadowing. We learned through the story, I go to California. Remember, listen again, repeat again, and shadow with me. The more you practice, the more natural your English will sound. Now, a question for you. If you could travel anywhere, where would you go? Tell me in the comments below. I would love to read your answers. And don't forget, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. You are amazing. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye, my friends.